You will need 2 strips of KT tape for this application. This application will be applied over clothing for demonstration purposes only. You will be applying the tape directly to your skin. While standing, place your foot on a chair. With your knees bent, bring it toward the center of the body to slightly stretch the glute muscle group. Begin preparing a strip of KT tape by creating a 2-inch anchor. Place the anchor near the middle of your lower back. Pull the backing away from the tape to leave a 2-inch anchor on the other end while lightly stretching the tape. Apply the tape toward just below the hip. Finally, apply the second anchor without any stretch and finish with a gentle rub over the strip to ensure adhesion. Repeat with the second strip parallel to the first and gently rub the application for improved adhesion. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.